I thought I'd try and video it again. You know how it goes, though, but okay, let me try it. No, not turning around, silly Billy. Come on. Come on, little fella. Come on, Angel. Daddy's outside weed eating and he hears him. Okay, come on. No. No. Come over here. Hi. Here. Come over here. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. What's this half smile you got going on there? What is that? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, little goofy. Come on. Come on, no. Not rolling over. Why do you keep wanting to go over there? Huh? Come over here. Get over here, little fella. Ty, you make my head spin. I don't know why you think that's funny. I don't know why. Angel. He's getting backwards. He's supposed to go forward. Now I have to come and get you again. Come over this way. Stop looking over there. Come over here. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on, little fella. I want that. Why do you want everything that's behind you? Because it's easier? Is that way? Because it's easier? There's a toy back there. I'll just roll over and get it. Okay, last time. Get it. Come on. Look. Okay, come and get it. Come on. Go get it. Now go and get it, Ty. Why are you a roly-poly? Why are you a roly-poly? There you go. So pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Ty. Come on. Come on. Look at all those toys just waiting for you to get to them. He's gonna roll back over there where there's stuff you can roll to. Huh? You are so silly. Ty Park is sitting in the chair. Because he's not all the way against the back or anything, but I don't know, because the chair rocks a little bit and it's cushy, he's able to sit up in it better. So we practice here. Plus, if he falls sideways, it's okay, and I'm right in front of him in case he falls forward. Well, you can't come down to the edge, silly Billy. Can't come down to the edge, silly Billy. Okay, let's practice sitting up, not eating the shells. Okay, ready? Give it some practice. Where are you going? Hey, you fell sideways. Ready? There we go. Okay, balance. There you go. Back to the shoes, huh? Okay, we'll say we were just saying our daily hello. Ty. You made my head spin. You're getting our daily hello. Okay, bye-bye.